Now I'm going to show you how I install the arm brace and the pistol grip. Now my buddy tried to install this himself, but he just couldn't get the pin out of that hinge. He said he tried everything. He tried to smack it with a mallet and even with a rear hammer, but that thing just won't budge. Okay, I'm not familiar with AK style at all. I don't own any AK, even though I own quite a lot of AR. So I'm going to be very cautious, and I think I did my research right. So here it goes. First, you have to lift open the rear sight. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is very new to me. Okay, I'm gonna knock the pin out. Okay, so it wasn't easy as I thought it would be. Now my understanding is easier to install the folding stock or the arm brace before you install the pistol grip. And one more thing, I know it sounded like I was banging on it because this table is a plastic and it's very noisy, but it wasn't bad as it looked. I know most people have their vice grip out in the garage on the working bench, but I'm a little lazy, so I made my own little portable vice grip so I could work in the house in my gun room. Now if you look at the pin that came out of it, it's a step pin, a thinner portion, so obviously this has to go in first. Okay, I'm gonna use a bigger hammer to tap it in a little bit deeper. Okay, that should do it. Let's see if it works well. Okay, I'm gonna be installing the pistol grip at this point. My understanding is that has to be slanted backwards. Now this is where the portable vice grip comes very handy. Nice and tight, but not too tight. No play on it. Yep, it's tight. Okay. Okay, I noticed one thing. The old piece that came off the original rifle has a very solid piece here. So you're supposed to snap this down and it's supposed to click and close. But because that spring is pushed more backwards, you actually have to press this down. It won't just snap in. Okay, let me show you what I mean. The piece that came off of it is a solid piece. But you can see there's an open gap here with this arm brace. I'm not sure when you have all the movements going on, that might actually cause the top to crack or not. I'm just hoping people who make this knows better than I do. Okay, let's try to close it. Well, I'm proud of myself. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have. Enjoy life with what you got, but mostly remember, in life there are times things get stuck. But with the right persuasion, it'll come out. See you later.